Dairy Queen app on iPhone. So just tap Get, and then you can just easily install it either with Face ID or Touch ID. Yeah, and this is the app. It's recently in the top charts, as you can see in food and drink category, because yeah, it's a good idea sometimes to check out these, especially mobile apps, because they offer some great rewards and deals, especially when they're introducing some new program or some new feature. So here you can just earn some points with Take Your Rewards, treat yourself and reward yourself, earn 10 DQ points for every $1 spent when you order in the app online and at DQ location. Even earn a sweet surprise on your birthday, keep earning and redeeming points for delicious food rewards, order ahead, save with weekly deals. So yeah, you just can open the app. You can continue as a guest, for example. Uh, and then, yeah, that's basically your app here. And then, yeah, you can just proceed with it. And then you need to sign up for to get access to this deal. You can just, okay, continue, for example, with your Apple ID, which is like pretty fast for me, especially if you're using like Face ID. And then, yeah, you can just easily sign up here. And then you can just enter some of your phone number, for example. Just like as a test. Uh, and there you have it. So then you can just select some your location and all of that, and then just continue with creating an account. So just yeah, that's basically what you can do. And then you can just get access to all these rewards.